I was talking to a guy a few months back at a campground. Class A diesel pusher, 10,000 watt Onan generator, a very similar rig to ours. And he had just got back from a dealership, generator service, oil change, filters, the works. $800 parts and labor. Then he proceeded to tell me that he's been putting the service off for 2 years because he was unable to find a dealer nearby. And I thought about that for a minute, and that's actually scarier. Because if that generator quits on you in the middle of July, while you're traveling 2, 3, 4 states away from home with no shore power, not only are you going to be uncomfortable, but now you're looking for a repair facility that has never seen your coach and make that bill for $800 look like a bargain. There's no good option when you're stuck in between too expensive to service and too risky to skip. That's exactly the reason why we're building this channel. We are going to walk through every single major maintenance task on this rig, step by step, just the way we wish somebody had done for us. And we're going to start with that Onan generator. Hey everyone, I'm Brent. And if you're new here, welcome to 44 Feet of Freedom. We didn't start here. Tracy and I started with a used pickup truck and a travel trailer. Upgraded to a fifth wheel, upgraded to a second fifth wheel Grand Design Solitude, and now finally this Class A diesel pusher. Every step of the way, we learned what it takes to keep these things operating. And I'll be honest with you, when we jumped from a fifth wheel to this rig, the learning curve got real fast. Maintenance on this Class A at this level is a different animal. You've got a Cummins 450 horsepower diesel engine, a 10 or 12 kW Onan generator, slide out systems, a whole network of electronics. It's a lot. And when you go looking for help, it's either on the Onan Micro Quiet 4000 generator or something completely different. So here's why we're building the channel. There are plenty of channels covering RV life, tours, travel vlogs, campground reviews, to include this channel. And it's all great content. But when it comes to actual maintenance, here's what to do step by step on this engine, this generator, this rig. It's almost non-existent. And I think that's a problem. For when something goes wrong, or you're trying to prevent something from going wrong, you need specific information, not just general guidance or go see the dealer. You need actual step-by-step instructions on how to complete that task. Every video in this series will walk you through one specific task, step by step, showing you exactly what tools you need, what parts you need, and exactly what to do. No shortcuts. Let me tell you what's coming first. We're going to start with the Onan 10,000 watt generator, oil and filter change. Episode 2 will be the Onan 10,000 or 12,000 watt generator, air filter change. It's a simple one, but it definitely affects performance, especially if you're running in the hot summer heat. And we'll walk you through that step by step. Episode 3 will be the Cummins L9 air filter change. The Cummins L9 is in a lot of high-end diesel pushers. And from there, we'll continue to keep building on the series. From roof inspections, to sealing, to slide out maintenance, to tire checks, flushing the freshwater system, we're going to build a whole library. So if you own a rig like ours, you have one place to go to get all your maintenance. If you're looking to save yourself some time, some money, or just some headache, hit that like button. It helps other motor coach owners like yourself find the content they need when they need it the most. And if you want to follow along while we work through the whole maintenance series, hit the subscribe and ring the bell. We're adding to this series regularly. Look, we're not mechanics. We're not dealership techs. We're just a couple that have been doing this for a long time, and we want to share what we have learned along the way. If you're a Class A motorhome owner, especially with a Onan 10 or 12,000 watt generator, a Cummins L9 or ISL engine, I think this series will be for you. Hit that subscribe button. Episode 1 will be coming out soon. The oil and filter change on the Onan 10,000 watt, and it applies to the 12,000 watt generator. I'm Brent. This is 44 Feet of Freedom. We'll see you on the next one.